Hey guys, it's Anime Masker, and today we're going to be trying to remove the side skirts off of my car. I thought this was just going to be a super easy task, but it turns out there's so much double-sided tape that it took hours to get the first side skirt off. So I thought I should make a video on how I got it off and the easier method I found to getting it off. Now, I don't know if most people would approve this option, but it's the one that I went with to get it off in the quickest amount of time. I'm doing this because the side skirts that were on my car are Wing West ones, and I'm switching over to the OEM ones. So let's get into it and see the annoying process of getting these side skirts off. First, of course, is a heat gun. We need this to heat up the adhesive and just be able to peel it off much easier. Second, I have some adhesive remover. This should help with just trying to break down that adhesive and get it off much easier as well. Third, I have some extra tough fishing line. This is going to be to floss in between the side skirt and the body to kind of cut through the adhesive. Fourth is just some general pry tools to shove in between the side skirt and the body to kind of pull it off. And last but not least, a screwdriver. They did screw a couple self-tapping screws into the body, which ended up rusting parts out as well. So we have to remove those, and I have to decide what I'm going to do in the future to remove that rust. Alright, this is everything, and let's hope it makes getting the side skirt off much easier. Alright, this is off. Now I have to go under and go to the front. Apply low heat instead of high just to prevent bubbling of the paint. Work in small sections. Doing a bigger surface area will mean it cools down quicker and you have less time to work on it. Now apply the adhesive kind of liberally. Pull on it, see if we got anything off. I'm wearing gloves because if you do this with bare hands, you will cut up your hands a decent amount. Get in between the side skirt and just start cutting. As you can see, there is adhesive running down the top of this side skirt. That's not only to bond it to the panel, it is also to keep water from falling in and rusting out the panel. Now, rather than having you see me struggle with the other two sections, I'm just going to show you the other side with the side skirt already off. So this is what it looks like with the side skirt off the car. So there's three separate parts where the adhesive is on. You have the one that I just removed on the other side. You have one in the center right here. Then you have one right up front. And you can see that some of the adhesive still has stuck to the car. And this is the new side skirt. This one actually has tabs that run along the bottom of the car, and that's what clips it in place. Unlike this one, where you glue it, then there's two screw holes about in the center of it. So the fins on the OEM TRD kit are much longer, I guess, than these fins, and I like the look of these more, so I decided just to pull these off. I didn't just remove these to put on the TRD ones. I also wanted to see what it looked like underneath the side skirt, and as you can see, it's not great. So before I removed it, I saw a little bit of bubbling, and when I actually got the side skirt off, as you can see, I pulled off some of the paint, and this is exactly what I was afraid of. I'm gonna figure out how to get this fixed. I want to do it proper, but depending on the quotes that I get, I might have to do it DIY. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna get back to the other side of the car at some later point in the week and finish that off. That is all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and if you want to see more, please sub. Thank you.